Let's talk about the latest launched Motorola smartphone Moto X50 Ultra with perfectly balanced design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with POLED curved display, 6.7 inches Super Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.8% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 64 megapixel 72mm periscope telephoto camera with support optical image stabilization and 3x optical zoom, and with 50 megapixel 12mm ultra-wide-angle camera with dual LED flash for selfies. It has 50 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in centered punch hole, video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3 GHz single core Cortex X4 plus 2.8 GHz quad-core Cortex A720 plus 2 GHz tri-core Cortex A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB 512 GB, 1 TB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.09 by 72.38 by 8.59 mm, and it weighs around 197 grams, and the color options forest gray, peach fuzz, Nordic wood colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4500 mAh battery, with 125 watt turbo power fast charging, 50 watt wireless charging, 10 watt reverse wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto X50 Ultra has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 4,299 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 1 TB storage variant at 4,699 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto X50 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.